Today we are going to take a look at the newest Universal resort here in Orlando. It is Stella Nova. There's actually going to be two more opening here at the Epic Universe. Terrace Luna opening in March and Helios opening in May. Epic Universe, of course, opens May 22nd, so we are definitely getting prepared for planning our epic vacation. So today let's take a look at Stella Nova and exactly what you can expect from this new resort. So what are some advantages to staying right here at Epic Universe? Well, number one, Stella Nova has a walkway right from the resort straight into Epic Universe. They also have shuttle buses that'll take you to Epic Universe and over to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure and Volcano Bay once you get to Universal Studios. So staying on property is going to keep you in this bubble right where you want to be. You can also, by staying at a Universal property, get early entry. Now, you are going to want early entry into Epic Universe. There is going to be so much to do. You're going to want every minute that you can possibly get here. What other perks do you get? Well, you can also charge resort-wide. So if you want to just, use that room key to make charges throughout the park for dining and merch, everything else, you can just do that. And also, you are not going to want to miss the opportunity to, again, just stay right in this Universal bubble right at Epic Universe. So here is Stella Nova. Let's head inside and take a look. When you first step inside, you are going to be immersed in this space-themed design. It is just like the Galactic modern amenities that you definitely want to make you feel like you are stepping into a whole new universe. And luckily, they do have an Epic Universe store right here, so you can grab your outfit of the day and some souvenirs to take home at the end of your trip. There is a Starbucks cafe right on hand to get that grab and go. There's also a quick service restaurant here with a ton of really fun options. And then also out by the pool, you're going to find a restaurant as well. Let's head outside and take a look at this giant pool area. The pool is huge, there's plenty of seating, and there's also a pretty large hot tub, in my opinion. There's a pool bar, and there's some fun little games you can play. It was raining, so people were taking advantage of this covering and just playing some games and hanging out. Stella Nova also has a mug that you can purchase with free refills throughout your stay, and they have those Coke Freestyle machines right out here and then also inside. As you can see across the pool over there, that's Terrace Luna, which is the sister hotel to Stella Nova. It's opening at the end of March, and from what I can tell, it's going to be pretty similar to this hotel. The only difference would be because of the location of Terrace Luna, there is not a dedicated walkway straight into Epic Universe like there is here at Stella Nova. So they will have shuttles taking you over there, but you won't be able to walk straight in like you can here. And if you want to get your fitness on here, get prepared, get your cardio up, ready for a day at the parks, they have this pretty big gym that you can do if you want. I'm not going to, but you sure can. Now, if you've seen anybody posting on social media about Stella Nova, you have probably seen this hallway. It's only on the 3rd floor, so if you want to check it out, head on up to the 3rd floor and get some cool pics. There's 2 styles of rooms here. There is a standard room and a pool view room. So the standard room just means you're going to have a view of something other than the pool, which for this particular room, you can see a little bit out the window of Epic Universe. Now, they did say not every room is going to have much of a view of Epic Universe. It all just depends. But the pool view or the standard view are the 2 options for making reservations. As you can see, that space theme design continues through the rooms with these large windows, the murals on the wall, like the shape of the lamps, everything is just very galactic themed and super cool. The rooms come with the little coffee bar and a mini fridge. So here is a pool view room. Again, only difference is just going to be that you're going to see the pool when you look out, which is actually a really cool view. As we get closer to Epic Universe opening, there's definitely promotions coming out, including this stay and bundle with the room and Universal tickets, including 1 day at Epic Universe. So message me and let's get you all signed up for this promotion. Get your room booked, get your tickets booked, because you are not going to want to miss out on Epic Universe. It looks so cool, and this hotel is definitely a must stay. So, what are your questions about Stella Nova? Let me know in the comments. And also, of course, if you want to get booked, you can also message me and I can help you get all booked up, get the best promotions, get the best deals, get the best prices. So, what are you waiting for? Epic Universe opens May 22nd, and you are going to want to be there. Amenities here at Stella Nova include a pool, a hot tub. There's also a little kid water play area. There's a fitness center, a game room. There's multiple dining options. Again, they have this little Starbucks cafe area. There's a walkway from Stella Nova to Epic Universe, and also resort buses that will take you over to Universal Studios Islands of Adventure and also Epic Universe. And just look how cool this building looks. So here is kind of the walkway to there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at Stella Nova. And again, make sure you're liked and subscribed because you're going to want to see more. See you in the next one.